Hi everyone! So today I'm at Carl's Jr. and you're probably asking yourself, why is a vegan at Carl's Jr.? But Carl's Jr. just released the Beyond Beef Burger, which is a completely 100% plant-based vegan hamburger. So this is actually the first time in my life that I've gone through a fast food joint to order food. So I think I'm like 35 now, and so 35 years in the making where I actually get to drive through and order a hamburger. Like, this is like mind-blowing. So I never thought in my lifetime that I would be able to do something like this, but I am so excited. So Carl's Jr., thank you.
Welcome to Carl's Jr. Would you like to try our French toast?
No, thank you.
What can I get started?
Can I have the Beyond Beef Burger?
Okay, would you like that in a combo?
Yes.
Upsize it to a medium or large?
No, thank you.
And for your drink?
Water. Water's fine.
Water bottle or in a water cup?
Water bottle, please.
Okay.
And then for the burger, can I have no mayonnaise on that?
Okay.
And do you have vegan cheese?
No, we don't. I'm sorry.
No problem. Can I have no cheese on that also?
Okay.
Awesome. That's all.
And would you like to try cookies today too for $1?
Oh, no, thank you.
Alright, with Beyond, no mayo, and with no cheese, all with a water bottle, correct?
Yes.
And then 6 second window. Thank you.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
There you go. Thank you. Yeah. Pioneers of the Great American Burger. That's true. The Great American Burger is a Beyond Beef Burger. I don't know what they were talking about, but I'm sure it was a Beyond Beef Burger.
The sauce for you today?
No, thank you.
Alright, coming right up. Here you go.
Oh, thank you.
You're welcome.
This is like such a novelty. Do you need me to roll down the window for you? No. Ladies
like,
probably like, what is happening? They have a Carl's Jr. bag in their car. 2 cameras. This lady a movie star? No, just a vegan junkie. No problem.
You ask if it's popular.
I forgot to ask if it's popular. Yay! I can smell the Beyond Beef Burger. And it's video. Here it is. I don't even know how to open this. It's just a hamburger bun. Smells good. Looks good. So I've got lettuce, tomatoes, pickles, Beyond Beef Burger. Tastes good. I can't believe I'm eating a hamburger from a fast food joint. You guys all have to go support Carl's Jr. Support what they're doing. Pioneers of the Great American Burger. I'm telling you, these guys are doing such a great job. Thank you, Carl's Jr., for supporting the vegan community. I would say 1 out of 10, I would give it a solid 8.5. 1, because I'm absolutely thrilled. 2, because it does have good flavor. Like, I enjoy the flavor. Personally, I would like some vegan cheese on it. I would, like some more like vegan condiments and things like that. But overall, I'm super excited that I actually get to use fast food joint. So thank you, Carl's Jr. Appreciate it. If you like vegan food, who doesn't like vegan food? If you like vegan food reviews just like this one, subscribe to my YouTube channel so you can see more vegan food reviews from me. And then also comment if you guys have gone to Carl's Jr. and if you've tried this hamburger, let me know what you think. Send me a like, send me a comment. I want to hear from my followers because you guys are the inspiration for my videos. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.